Hello students, welcome back to the video lecture series of Effective Technical Communication. We have started chapter number 1, Dynamics of Communication, and so far what we have studied, we have studied first of all what is communication, then we studied about the different levels of communication, we also studied about the communication model in which we studied about the different blocks, then after we have started non-verbal communication. We already know the communication in which we are not using the words is known as non-verbal communication. After that we studied about the different elements of the non-verbal communication. There are basically 4 elements of non-verbal communication. The first one is kinesics. Kinesics is related with the body movement. Then comes the proxemics. Proxemics is related with space. Till now we have completed till the proxemics, and today we are going to start the paralinguistic and the chronemics feature. Okay, there are many characteristics of voice while you are communicating, right? For example, speed of voice, the pace at which the words are spoken. Some people are talking in a very slow speed, okay, some are talking at very higher speed and some are talking at moderate speed. So again, if somebody is hesitated or he is in anxiety, he or she is in anxiety, then the speed of the voice will change. वो बोलते हैं ना कि हड़बड़ाहट में कोई भी बंदा होगा वो स्पीड में बोलने लगता है, ठीक है ना. And some people will stammer while they are in tension, they will start stammering, they will not be able to speak the words clearly, right? So again the speed of voice will also communicate something. Then the intonation. Intonation means rise and fall in the voice. While I am addressing something, and if I am highlighting, if I want to highlight the particular point, then my voice will rise. That hello students, you have to do this. Okay, if I am motivating, then intonation is there. Okay, if I am normally speaking, the tone will be same. Okay, volume. How loudly you are speaking, how softly you are speaking. Again, some people, if they are angry, their tone becomes loud, okay, and normally some people are, if they are talking normally, then they will speak in a soft manner, right? For example, if you are talking on a phone and you are not able to convince the client, then your tone and the volume will change, okay. Then tone, again, feelings that are added while speaking is known as the tone. Some people, if they are angry, their tone will be. Some people while talking, if they are angry, they are not able to control their emotions, right? So their tone will increase. If they are talking normally, then again tone will change. If they are very happy, the tone will be different. If they are sad, again the tone will be different. So we are not focusing on the words. What we are focusing on? We are focusing on the tone of the voice, speed of the voice, intonation, volume. Okay. See, these all features will be very much important to you while you will be delivering any lecture. Okay. Delivering any lecture or delivering any speech. If you want best example that how our non-verbal communication related with paralinguistic features should be there, then you have to watch the speech of Modi ji. Every paralinguistic feature will be used in that speech, okay. Again, pronunciation of words is also important. How you are pronouncing, okay. How you are pronouncing the words, that is also important. So pronunciation is also important part of the non-verbal communication. Then comes the articulation. Articulation means clarity in voice. Your voice should be clear. The content should be clear such that the listener is easily able to get you that what you are trying to say. Okay, so articulation should be there. And the last but not the least, pause. Okay, some people have habit of speaking continuously. There should be a pause taken between the two sentences, right? For example, if I am explaining you something, like I am saying that pronunciation, the word should be properly pronounced. Okay. I am taking a pause of 2 seconds, then again I am starting the next sentence. See, this is the proper way to deliver a lecture or deliver a speech. While some people are not having any patience or they are not using the pauses. Like they will continuously talk like they are reading an essay. So what will happen? The listener will get bored. Okay, they will feel that maja nahi aa raha hai, right? So you have to keep all the aspects of the paralinguistic features in mind while you are communicating with someone. Okay, fine. I hope chronamics, we have already discussed that chronamics is related with time. The time that you are taking while communicating is known as chronamics. It is defined as the study of human beings communicate through their use of time. Okay, many people are not giving importance to time. We will take example of the meetings that are held in India as well as in different countries like USA and Russia. See, in some countries, the meetings are starting on sharp time. For example, the meeting is to be held at 9 a.m. Then the attendees will attend the meeting. They will present in the meeting at 8:50, around 8:50, right? So they are giving importance to time. While if we take example of meeting to be held in India, if we are mentioning the time as 9 a.m., then what will happen? The public will come, the attendees will come after 9 o'clock, like 9:15. Sometimes the meeting will start at 10 o'clock. So they are not valuing the time. So chronamics is again related with time. Okay. For example, if you want to present a project, okay, if you want to present a project idea, hardly the work is of 5 to 10 minutes, but if you are taking very long, okay, if you are wasting the time, then again it will show that ये तो time pass कर रहा है, ठीक है ना? So what is the meaning of chronamics? The information that is to be conveyed to the listener, it should be completed well in time. Extra time or lesser time should not be taken. कभी कभी क्या होता है? Sometimes what happens? Sometimes what happens that speaker wants to say many things, but due to lack of confidence, lack of knowledge of the words, he or she is not able to speak. Again, this is also one type of lack of communication, because chronamics means what? You have to take proper time to deliver something, right? Less time is also not allowed, more time is also not allowed. Proper time you have to take while communicating or trying to express something, right? Okay, see, this was about the non-verbal communication. Okay, now it's movie time. Okay, we will see a small clip in which the clips from movies has been taken, different movies in which the non-verbal communication is used. Okay, so you will be very clear that what is the exact meaning of non-verbal communication. So here comes the movie for you. Okay, enjoy.
So I sure, yeah, I've worked in a team before. Yeah, I'm a really good team player, you know. Good team player, good leader as well, but I can be part of the team if I need to. I was, you know, part of the student government. I was the secretary and the treasurer and the leader of you know, that.
कहाँ है डैडी आपके?
बिल्कुल आपके पीछे।
आओ।
भाग लो, फ्री एडवाइस है, लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो जाने दो।
तुम लोग यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? सर लिफाफा दे के आते हैं सर स्टेज पे।
मुझे दे दो, मेरी बहन की शादी है।
बहन? सर आपकी टोटल कितनी बेटियां हैं सर?
खाली है।
तू दला नहीं रहा?
वैसे हमने तो आपको बुलाया नहीं, आप शायद लड़के वालों की तरफ से होंगे।
नहीं सर, हम एक्चुअली साइंस की तरफ से सर, साइंस की तरफ से। कैसे? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
Spartans! Prepare for glory!
Glory?
Have you gone mad? There is no glory to be had now. Only retreat or surrender or death. But that's an easy choice for us, Arcadian. Spartans never retreat. Spartans never surrender.
Okay students, I hope it was very much clear to you. See, next and the last topic of this chapter is intercultural communication. Now what is the meaning of intercultural? As the name suggests, inter means between two, inter means between two. So if the communication is happening between the persons of two different cultures, two or more than two different cultures, is known as intercultural communication. See, what is the meaning of culture? See, culture is related with the background, educational background, the atmosphere in which the person is living, okay, the religion that they are following, the caste, okay, so each and everything will reflect the culture. For example, if any employee is there, he is living in Ahmedabad, okay, he is living in a city, then culture will be different. If any employee is there working in any company, he is from any village, then again mindset and thinking will be different. See, these are the basic examples. Let us take some more examples. For example, if you are working in any multinational company, right, for example, from campus you are selected in any multinational company, for 2 or 3 persons are selected, 2 or 3 candidates are selected, and they are from Gujarat. So they are working in any multinational company, the headquarters are located in Mumbai, you are working in Mumbai. So again, in multinational company, many candidates will be there, many employees will be there, some will be from Gujarat, some will be from Maharashtra, some will be from outside India, like some will be Americans, some will be from China. So the cultures will be different for each and every candidates, right? See, each of these individuals who are from different cultures, they will be having their different experiences and different values at the workplace. So many things will be combined together, and how to manage that things, that is also important. Okay, so intercultural communication is important because you have to work with the people of different cultures. Okay, and what is more important while working with them? First of all, you have to, if intercultural communication will be there, if there will be no communication gap, if they will combinedly work together in a group, okay, as a team, then what will happen? It will maintain a positive attitude. Like for example, I am from Gujarat, so I should respect the culture of the different people who are living in different states, okay. So again, it will maintain a positive attitude. Again, we will be able to understand the diversity, that we will be able to understand the different cultures, their lifestyles. So each and everything we will be able to know, right? Then with the help of intercultural communication, we can discourage the racism and discrimination. Like this thing is basically problematic in USA. In USA, white and black people are there. So there are lots of problems of racism. So if intercultural communication will be there, then racism will be discouraged and discrimination of the racism will be there. Okay, then job satisfaction will be there. Otherwise what happens? If you are continuously having disputes with your colleagues, then you will not be able to give justice to your job. Again, job satisfaction, it will increase the productivity of the company, because if all the employees of different cultures will work together, then the productivity of the company will increase. Okay, productivity of yourselves as an individual will also increase. Then it will again form relationships, then lesser conflicts. So these are some of the advantages, or yes, we can say these are some of the advantages of maintaining a good intercultural communication. like positive attitude, increase in the communication, lesser conflicts. Okay, so you have to remember these all points and you have to write all these points in detail in the exam. So this was about intercultural communication. I hope it is clear to you. In the next lecture, we are going to start next chapter. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.